Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. IBA Phase-II Diet Preparation Frame 2 of 23. Question number 1 reads as the diagonal of a rectangle is root 41 centimeter and its area is 20 square centimeter. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Diagonal of the rectangle is given to us, that is root 41, while the area is 20 square centimeter. What is the perimeter? Let me draw a rough sketch of a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and each angle is of 90. Opposite sides are equal and each angle is of 90. Each angle is of 90. Diagonal, a line from vertex to vertex that cuts this rectangle into two equal triangles. This line is known as diagonal. One can draw from this vertex to there. It's also a diagonal. From rectangle point of view, this line is our diagonal. From rectangle point of view, it is diagonal of our rectangle. If we consider a triangle lower or upper, this is also hypotenuse of the triangle. Opposite to 90, it is our hypotenuse. By applying Pythagoras theorem on this vicinity or in that area, applying Pythagoras theorem, everything is deemed to be fit. Opposite to 90 hypotenuse. This is perpendicular, this is base. Go ahead, apply Pythagoras theorem. It states that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. How to hunt down what is hypotenuse? Opposite to 90 is known as hypotenuse and it is the longest side in the triangle. Hypotenuse are diagonal both same. Base is our x and it is our y. It is also diagonal and hypotenuse, they are equal, diagonal square. We have given the value of diagonal, that is root 41. If I insert here 41 square, it's x square plus y square. Square and root cancel. So value of x square plus y square is 41. That's our equation number 1. That's our equation number 1. A rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Each angle is of 90. Opposite to 90, it is our hypotenuse. From triangle point of view, from rectangle point of view, it is our diagonal. Diagonal and hypotenuse are equal in that case. Applying Pythagoras theorem and utilizing the given value of diagonal, that is root 41, I have arrived at the result at x square plus y square is equal to 41. We are familiar how to find the area of rectangle. Length times width or width times length, they are x and y. X into y. And it is given to us, it's equal to 20 square centimeter. 20 square centimeter. Okay. That's our equation number 2. We are asked to find perimeter. Perimeter of the rectangle is given by, perimeter means sum of all the sides. 2 times x, 2 times y, 2x plus 2y. Taking 2 common, x plus y. That's our perimeter. We are interested in the value of perimeter. 2 times x plus y. 2 times x plus y. Is it convenient for us to take any value of x or y put here, or find x and y put here? It is going to be cumbersome. Making life simpler, utilize your brain. X plus y whole square is tantamount to x square plus y square 2xy. If you adopt this strategy, you are going to work wonder within no time without finding the value of x and y, without finding the dimensions of the rectangle. You are in a position to hunt down what is the perimeter of this rectangle. X plus y whole square. We have the value of x square plus y square, that is 41, plus 2 times what is value of xy? That's our 20. 41, 2 into 20, it will become 40. So I have 81. The value of x plus y whole square is equal to 81. Value of x plus y whole square is equal to 81. Value of x plus y whole square is equal to 81. If I find value of x plus y, Insert here, it is my perimeter. Taking square root, I have x plus y whole square, square and root cancel. Square root of 81, that's r 9. X plus y is equal to 9. X plus y is equal to 9. Insert this value here as we are asked to find perimeter. Perimeter is given by 2 times x plus y. 2 times x plus y. 2. Value of x plus y is 9. 2 9 the 18 centimeter is the perimeter of our given rectangle according to the given conditions, because the condition reads as the diagonal is given to us, that's root 41, and while the product area of rectangle x into y is given to us. Simple strategy. The question is wordly blended. It is simple question. When you have given the value of x square plus y square and xy, you are asked to find value of x plus y. How it has been blended into a beautiful, elegant word problem. The diagonal of a rectangle is root 41 and its area is 20. Find its perimeter. Perimeter, look at this. Perimeter is 2 times x plus y. Look at this. Everything is set. Diagonal means x square plus y square. Root x square plus y square. X square plus y square is equal to root 41. Root x square plus y is this. Area means x into y. Diagonal means root x square plus y square. That's our area. That's our perimeter. Check these out. Connect the dots. X square plus y square, xy and 2x plus y. It's bingo. This is the formula from our 8th class, 8th grade. X plus y whole square, x square plus y square plus 2x square. Three things are involved in that: x square, y square, xy, and this one. Insert the value, plug in the values, and you are going to arrive at result. You should have a rational acumen. Understand the question, then apply your concept. Moving towards next question. Our second question reads as, if the price of sugar be raised by 20%, if the price of sugar is increased by 20%, the percentage of the consumption that a housewife has to decrease in order not to increase her expenditure. The price of sugar has been increased by 20%. Normally 100 is taken for the percent, 20% increase plus 20. Now we have 120%. Price of sugar has been increased by 20%, 100%, it will become 120. Now, how much consumption, usage of sugar has been curtailed in order not to disturb the budget, not to disturb her budget. Expenditure remains the same. Now we have to hunt, we have to decrease 20 from this, 20 from 120. We have to sort out what percent of 120, what percent of 120, what percent of 120, what percent of 120 is 20 that is to be reduced. 100 plus 20. Now, after the hike in price, after soaring prices, the price of sugar is 120% from the original one. Now we have to cut down its consumption, curtail down its consumption. 120, we have to decrease 20, only 20. We have to ask ourselves, what percent of 120, what percent of 120 is 20? What percent of 120 is 20? That is the budget minimization issue to be applied in order not to disturb the budget expenditure. 120, remove percent sign, divide by 100 is equal to 20. 0 cancelled out. 10, applying table of 2, it will become 6. X over 5 is equal to 20. Solve for x is equal to 20 times 5 divided by 6. Applying table of 2, 10 times, that's 3. We have 50 over 3. Now, let's be like a child, divide 50 root 3. That's the beauty of this aptitude mathematics. Calculator is not allowed. That's the beauty. You have to manually sort this out. 1 3 the 3. Subtract, I have 2, 0 same. 3 6 the 18 is the nearest. 3 7 the 21 increase. 3 6 the 80. Subtract. I have 2. Now there is 2, there is 3. It is lesser than 3. It is lesser than the divisor into this point. 0 here, 3 6 the 18, 2 0 again, 3 6 the 18, 3 6 the 18, and so on. So our answer is 16. There's 20, 26. That's are going to be option 16 whole 2 upon 3. 16 whole 2 upon 3. One can manage such sort of answer. It's also very easy. 50 divided by 3. 1 3 the 3. Sorry, 1 3 the 3. I have 20. Apply table of 6. 3 6 the 18. What is the remainder? 2. So it can be written as, what is the quotient? 16. What is the remainder? 2. What is divisor? 3. That's our quotient. That's our remainder. That's our divisor. It can be written as quotient R over D. This can be written as this one. What is quotient? Quotient is 16. Remainder is 2. Divisor is 3. 16 whole 2 upon 3%. That has been explicitly mentioned in the option. That's our answer in that case. Price of a sugar has been increased to 20% by 20% from 100 plus 20 120. Now we have to decrease 20 from 120. We have to sort it out. What percent of 120 is 20? What percent of 120 is 20? That is our sniper shot. 120 is what percent of 20? 120 is what percent of 20? That is the required percentage to be curtailed, to be minimized from its use of sugar, consumption of sugar, in order not to disturb the budget. Moving towards question number 3. Again, it's the same sort of question. Here it is 20. Here it has been asked. It is 25. Okay, it's double practice for you. Let me solve this one as well. Again, same question. Price of sugar has been increased by 25%. Almost same, almost identical. Instead of 20, there's 25 only. Instead of 20, there's only 25. Okay, let me solve this one again. Normally 100%. Increase of 25, it will become 125. Now we have to hunt down what percent of 125 is 25. What percent of 125 is 25? Because we have to curtail, we have to minimize 25 from 125. What percent of 125? Sorry, 125. Suppose X percent. Suppose X percent of 125 is equal to 25. X percent of 125 is 25. Remove percent, divide by 100. 4 times 25, 5 times 25, it's 125. So I have 5x over 4 is equal to 25. From division to multiplication, from multiplication to division, our x is 25 times 4 divided by 5. 5 5 the 25, 5 4 the 20, 5 4 the 20. When the price of sugar has been increased by 25%, then we have to cut, then we have to reduce its consumption by 20% in order not to disturb our budget. So our right option in that case is 20, 20%, 20%. Okay, moving towards question number 4. Question number 4, it is, if the sum and means of same digits of some digits are 24. Sum is given to us as well as their mean average is given to us 6. Find the number of the digits. Cool. Sum. Average is given by sum of the numbers divided by numbers is equal to average or mean. Average or mean, it's okay. We have given sum is equal to 24. Sum is 24 and we are interested to find our average is 6, I think. Average is 6. Average is 6. Cool. Average is 6. Sum is 24. Really well. Simple. Always adhere to basic. Stuck to basic. Stuck to basic. It leads you to everywhere. Sum divided by total numbers or figures or quantities involved is equal to average or mean. Sum is given to us, sum of the digits is 24, while mean is 6. Find the number of the, it's cool. Shift n there from division to multiplication and 6 from multiplication or division. 24 over 6 is the number of digits. 6 for the 24. 6 for the 24. So the number of digits is 4. Their sum is 24, while their average is 6. Where their average is 6. Where their average is 6. A good word problem, a good word, simple, based on average formula. How it has been blended, it's a crop, it's an art. Among us, I give credit to the question maker. Question number next and the final one. Surds, rational numbers, roots. How to apply formula here? 2 times root 3 minus 3 times root 2 square. Just we are familiar that a square is twice first into second plus square of second. Introduce blanks, empty parentheses, just fill them, fill them. If there is positive, I would have written positive. Negative, then negative. First and last, always positive. First bracket, first parenthesis, write 2 under root 3. In last, 3 root 2, 3 times root 2. First one, 2 times root 3, 3 times root 2. That's the strategy. That's our a square. Normally we have, it's our a square minus 2ab plus b square. I have sorted out. That's our a, that's our b. Plug in the values. A square, b square minus twice first a into b. How to handle this? It is some sort, it is easy enough, but the student feel a bit hesitation here. Square of 2 is 4. Square of root 3 is 3. 4 3 is the 12. That's the deal. That's the way to deal square in a quantity having whole number as well as root together in multiplication. Here, that is 3 times root 2 is square. 3 square means 9. Square of root 2 is only 2. 9 to the 18 that. Okay. Now we are in a position to simplify this one once for all. Let's see, it will become 4 times 3. Square of 2 is 4. The square of root 3 is only 3. No symbol in between, multiplication. They are whole numbers. Multiply them. 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12. And here, these are the numbers in square root, just multiply them. Plus, square of 3 is 9. Square of root 2 is only 2. 4 3 the 12 minus 12. We are in a position to multiply them because there is no positive or negative sign in between. Multiplication, they are in square root, just multiply them like simple. But write in square root. 3 to the 6, 9 to the 18. Now add these two. These are whole numbers. Add them. 12, 18, 30 minus 12 times root 6. They cannot be added and subtracted because it's pure whole number. 30, it's 12 times root 6. 12 times root 6. We can take common something. If we can, 2 is common, 6 is common, 6 common, 2 common, but we cannot add them or merge them. So that is our final answer in that case. That is our final. This is frame 2 of our 23 for the direct preparation of IBA phase 2. It's my tiny effort to you guys to guide you in the right direction. It's all by itself. Next.